Namini pa Archbishop. Emma, oye program. And my friend Abba. My friend Abba, I friend that or no, I mean, anyone in a term say. If you listen program, honorable Emma Macasawas. I mean, she said, was a son.
Okay.
Young credit satisfaction said, Papa, but Namias in the world. I'm a son, ya, a bit who said be or tie to some jelly. The credit of the Archbishop against her.
Okay.
Say, Yamia, what to show one about which is soon. I see a great change.
Okay.
In Honorable King Japan's life. He used to be so harsh whenever he is annoyed. And for now, I mean, who is King is changed forever. This time, I must say, I'm going to also be honorable. But I'm going to honorable. Or some political